You don't mind if you show the viewers?
No. That's okay. That's
All
okay,
right.
man. No.
All right. So, peeps, you know, this is the RVR, right? All right, peeps.
Yeah, that was my car. That was my car. Yeah. Trust me, that was my favorite car.
May I try to stop laugh so I can hold the phone in a man.
All
right, this is the RVR. Right? Where's the show the Llama now?
Yes, sir. Go ahead.
They have all the good stuff.
What go on, General?
The killer is in the building, you know.
Only Honda.
Boy, hey, you start for your shot early still, you know, man. What go on, man? Me could do a little introduction first, man.
Nothing wrong with that, bro.
Eh?
Nothing wrong with that.
All right. What you been up to, man? What go on, the whole COVID-19 thing, what you been up to?
Me good so far, man. Work as usual. Put in the work to get the money to spend on the car, to get the car up and ready in the right way. Good
Which
so far,
is right.
man.
Which is right. So it's mainly working. So it's not like you don't have no time for the car. So you just work to make the money, but you don't have no time for the car.
No, man, I have time for the car, but the problem is because of the whole COVID system, I can't really spend enough time on the car. But I have people working on the car at the moment to get it up and running in the way me want it to run to the as well as your Rivalries ready again. I'm ready to go.
Wow. All right. The whatever you have the phone on, it can angle down a little bit. Your fans want to see a little bit better. Down. Aye. That little bit better.
Yeah, man.
Cool. So for if you're just joining the live and you're wondering, you know, who we're talking to? We're talking to the king, right? And later on, Dalton will be telling us, you know, the differentiating between himself and the known 9-second king, right? Mr. Omar Everin. You know what I mean? So we're going to get into all of it. But of course, you know, we have to just do a little quick introduction. All right, it's now 15 minutes after 8. We won't delay any further. We'll go right into it, right? Now, Jeffrey.
Yeah, man.
Just tell us, who is Mr. Jeffrey Williams?
All right. Jeffrey Williams is a very simple person, jovial person, like to make fun and stuff like that. Work very hard for both family, friends, and to make sure that all of who works with me during my company, I try to make everybody happy and their family happy. Jeffrey doesn't party much. Jeffrey mostly focus on his car. At least the chance he get, if it's not family, it's most likely car. But that is typically Jeffrey. Nothing fussy, just simple.
So other than racing, Jeffrey, you know, you do anything else for fun, for recreation?
No, not really. Sometimes fishing. No, definitely not.
Not pool.
No. Sometimes just fishing. If not, we just stay warm. Just I cook food. Me love cook bad. Me just cook food.
Oh, yeah. All right. All right, cool. At the phone, the notification kind of throw me off. All right. So if it's not cooking or you're fishing or race, then, you know, I just have chill vibes.
Yeah, man. Just stay warm with family. That's it.
All right. Now, we want to know, Jeffrey, because your rise to stardom or fame in drag racing happened over a short period, a very short period. I mean, you left from nobody not knowing who is Jeffrey, aka Dalton, to, I mean, one of the most talked about persons right now in drag racing. You know what I mean? Now, how long now have you been, involved in motorsports?
2013 really. From a small, very small, I always love fast car from a lot of days. You know, I just watch car and I at least get a chance to drive the car and I tell you, I higher rev that depends. So it grew within me. I'm always I say, yo, I want a fast car, until when I sell a Mitsubishi Gallant and I bought a Mitsubishi RVR, a black Mitsubishi RVR. And that's when I got hooked definitely to the sport, because I was a turbocharged RVR. That's when God Marks from Straight Boost Engineering was working on that car. My first race was in 2013 at Jamaica. I don't know if you remember that race. From then, we just hooked to it. We just definitely can't turn back. That's it. Can't turn back.
So prior to that, prior to 2013, right? What was Jeffrey Williams doing?
Well, as I said, I just basically the car mostly. Least got a chance to get me that on the van. That van really bring joy. That van really build me, because driving that van sometimes 2-3 times a day, I can be honest and talk, that van really broke down on me and I jump and fix. People take picture of me and make fun of me. So it motivates me, because I say, yo, why everybody mad me? They must be special. So I like take it more serious now and start like, all right, fine. I'll get a different Mitsubishi. So I go forward and get a Evo 1. Well, yes, or whatever they call it. Have the same issues every day, broke down, nah, give up. Till Virgo start mad me. When Virgo start mad me, that's when I take it serious. I just say, yo,
so it's Virgo. Okay, so it's Virgo.
Yeah, man, Virgo, man. Alvin Virgo. Yeah, Alvin Virgo. You see, man.
All right. When you used to mock you, when you used to do, you say you used to mock you, but what exactly you used to do?
I couldn't hide a man to go be a twin. Could not. Anyway, I tell a man to go be a me, I make sure my phone look on my phone, my WhatsApp, that Virgo taking a picture of me. Could not hide. First, it was the RVR. They started calling me the Llama. They pose a Llama next to the van and said, that's me. And I was like,
why?
And said, because they said the van ugly like a llama. yeah, but seriously, serious. And I always laugh about it still. And
so the man them used to draw you out, say, boy, the van ugly like, hey, Llama, I know I'm pretty something silly now.
I tell you, the worst part about it, bro. The man them put the Llama next to the van from one picture. And like every time you hear a comment to see that picture pop up, me I was like, yo, why them do this? But me never give up. Me always like, yo, me pushing up because there's something good in motorsport. I love motorsport. Me nah give up.
Hey Dalton, let me tell you something. As you mentioned that a while ago, Zine. By the way, you have a picture. Yeah, we don't want to really dig up the we don't want to dig up the past still, But by any chance, you know the picture there.
No, Virgo, that would be the perfect person right now. May I tell you the truth?
All right, Virgo. If you're up on the live, Virgo, what's up, me? What? All right, Mousy, what's up me that photo of the Llama? I want to see.
They have it. It is disturbing anyhow, but trust me.
All right, so somebody just WhatsApp me, right? A picture of the Llama right now. So we and the fans can have a, make we see if them did have all rights to call it Llama, or if they were being a bit unreasonable. You understand?
Way unreasonable. Way unreasonable.
But watch this now, Dalton. You know, in drag racing, in racing, let me put it in racing. A lot of mouthing and touting and gimmickry and look here. You have to strong feel in drag racing, bro.
Yeah, man, that's true. That's true.
Allow me to tell, because you know, a man will just mount you till, and if you can't take it, you probably just back out of the sport. And at the end of the day, you know, a man don't really mean nothing really, you know. It's just race vibe. Don't it?
Them things they really motivate me, so you know, the more some of them mock me, it just motivate me. Me just always want to go more.
If somebody say something
bad about me right now, me just like think about it in my life, me prove him wrong. Me just want to prove him wrong. Me now stop to me prove him wrong.
Oh, so that means when you say you go for the Honda them, and you start name out some name like Kenty and a joke thing at upon then, that you say?
No, definitely not. Definitely not. I swear, definitely not. Definitely not.
Because you want know, you is a gimmicks man yourself, you know. And me sure a lot of people probably hear when you say you go for the under them. And a man might take it as joke, but yeah, make we know now say serious.
Yeah, man, even when me overseas, I'm a guy in the jag meet, explain to the man in my jag meet, say, hey, if I were here, I would definitely kill enough for you because we kill on that anywhere me go.
Hey, there was a, as you mentioned that, you know, there was this talk going around for some time that a particular brand of car ate Hondas for breakfast, right? But it look like, say, are you have the time clear now? Are you want to eat off the whole of the Honda them for breakfast?
Yeah, not only breakfast, be honest with God. I would prefer have them breakfast, lunch, dinner, and maybe something if possible. Yeah, definitely, yeah.
Where you say 3-course meal?
Yeah, but if you really observe the car this thing, bro, whenever time that car want Honda line up the car, just all of me not do it, the car transform definitely by itself. Just watch the race with a Honda. Once you go against one Honda, the car just transform different. I don't know why, but the car do it.
So warm to Toyota and Nissan.
You know, to be honest, 2016 was my first meet at Vernon Field. Something happened on the line between me and a Honda. Something went wrong and a car caught fire behind it. And the starter guy dropped the something on the race automatically, go off. So eventually the Honda left before me. And then now that guy mocked me for the rest of the day. Like, all right, cool, you know. Me just say cool. And from then I come down, me just like, you know, someone kill anything of age pan just for the fun. And from there, I just start investing in my car just to kill Honda. Just to kill Honda. If a Toyota involved or a Nissan involved while me I reach the Honda, they're definitely dead too. But a Honda really no one.
A really Honda you go for.
Yeah,
all right. Dalton, let us take a little break. I just received the picture from Mousy. And right? So you don't mind if we show the viewers?
No, that's okay. That's all okay. Right. No.
All right. So peeps, you know, this is the RVR, right? All right, peeps.
Yeah, that was my car. That was my car, yeah. Trust me, that was my favorite car.
May I try to stop laugh so I can hold the phone in a man. All right, this is the RVR. Right? Where's the show them Llama now?
Yes, sir. Go ahead. Yeah, definitely Virgo. Virgo was the man for that. Virgo and Pluggy was the man for that. Trust me. Virgo and Pluggy was the man for that.
No, man, let me tell you. You see anybody do this? Yo.
Virgo and Pluggy. They was the man for it.
Virgo who?
Pluggy.
No, man, look here. You know, say all today you should not talk to them, man.
No, man, oh God, man. I respect them for that, man. Trust me.
No, man. Look here, man.
Them are the reason why I reach here today.
Look here, man.
No, man. The honest man, trust me. I dare me reach today. Because if me never strong and use that as a gateway, I would never reach today. I would never ever reach today. Trust me.
But you know,
them are the man.
Why? Hey, you know one thing I'm glad about? You never, you never take it the other way. Because as me say, you know, I know everybody can take care of it, you know.
Yeah, that's true. I'm good at that. Not no matter me.
Yeah, you understand? So I'm glad that you channel that energy into a positive, and you're still there with it till you run tens back to back and all them something which we soon get into. You understand what I say? So it really grow, it really build you.
Come on, build me a lot.
You understand? Cause me not like saying that all the time. A man, if a man, boy, me don't know, war if go broke or something. No man, look at, all right. No, boy, Virgo, you're wicked, pluggy. No wicked man. No could have do better than that man. Believe me. But anyway, you know, we know it's just racing vibe, and yeah, as man. We say, it definitely build you, right? See Virgo in the comments, I said, big up yourself, King. You know, see it. So I'm glad say that is the way it ended, right? Now, question: what was the best? Did you manage to get a time with the RVR?
Yes. It was something like about 15-8 to be sure. 15-8 to be sure. Yeah, the first run with the RVR Jamweg was 15-8.
15-8. Yeah. Okay. But that was the best time, right?
Yeah, then because what happened is that, yeah, what I like about myself, I never ever go on race meet and I make one grid. I always make a grid. Ever in my life. That's a good thing about me racing. Seen.
Well, I tell you something. You mentioned earlier that you had some issues with the RVR. It was a little bit unreliable, you would have said, right?
No, not unreliable. Just that I never understand the whole boost world like I do now. So I always do some rigging. Bitch up, we just want to fly the car. So we just bitch up something and just move and then feel and then move, but it come to a point in time like, okay, this is it. Me just start doing my own research and start to work on the car myself sometimes. And you know, at least the chance to get me pull something on the car and replace it and try to learn more about the car. So moving forward, I can have more experience of what boost car and everything in one. So after a while, I learn more and understand more.
Okay, so you're saying that is the lack of preparation on your part why? Okay, yeah. I understand. Now, why? Go ahead.
The speed that when me are heading at the racing with is not like me did take time out first and like ask some questions. Buy the vehicle, heading at racing, me just want to go fast. So you have to pay to learn. So basically, I take the speed.
But question though, why you chose that platform? I know you say you wanted to just get into racing, but why Mitsubishi? Why Evolution?
Oh, great. All right. You see, Evolution, coming from school one day, and I saw a guy who was driving a Mitsubishi Lancer. The Lancer there was, I think it was 89 Model Lancer, the rear-wheel drive Lancer there.
Yeah.
The broad, yes, it was 89. And it was, trust me, them telling them was the law that you have on the 100 wagon, Corolla wagon them. And it just eat up the road. I mean, I say, yo, it's a carry fast. What can I carry this here? My man said, Mitsubishi, man. So if I'm there, I start like, every time I see the sign, like, oh, yeah, Mitsubishi build this and build that until when now I go rally race that. I am sure. Oh. See one of the Mitsubishi move. I'm like, yo, me want one of that. Me want one of that. In my brain, I was want a 4-wheel drive turbocharged car from them.
Oh.
I'm buy the Evo at the moment, I'm buy the RVR, the cheaper one at the moment.
Miss way I say. And talking about RVR, you know, RVRs are not a bad platform, really, you know, because I remember there were two. I don't know if you remember two white one. That was from Ochi side. One was automatic, one was standard.
Luckily, I get the standard one. I see them vehicle end up buy after many years in black. Because after me have the car, I realize I start finding white in the car.
Hold on, repeat that.
All right. You see the one that I bought?
Yeah.
I bought it in black. Over the years, me have the car, it have an accident where the whole panel was damaged. Then me start search the car where I check the car and I find white inside of the car. And then afterwards, the man tell me, say, yo, there was 2 white one and China man and one. That man tell me, start say, yo, I tell God, say, yo, white in the car. So I sure got the white. And God said, possibly it's one of the car. Because we find even one of the something the sensor, I don't remember the name of the something sensor of the car again, where them use to turn the fluid up or turn the fluid down. Back then, we find what inside that car on that carpet connected already.
Oh, so okay, so it looked like it was a machine then.
Yeah, that car. Yeah, man, what? Look, I buy that car at Kingston and come down with it £20. Trust me. If you really there and you to America, that's surely head there.
When you reach a mobile, you just feel like you want to drive.
Me catch a mobile, me go in my house, me come back up, me go back a road, me come in back, me go back a road from the park. It was so much better. I tell you, fun.
It was, I guess it was just a boost life, right?
Yeah, but me never understand nothing about even 4-wheel drive car because normally me just tap us on the floor and pick up my foot like me no business. Broker ask you today, you can buy the next one tomorrow, ready again. Me never understand nothing about preload and them stuff, but over the years, I learn.
You get it. You learn. Seeing. All right. Before we go any further, let me just say a big shout out to the sponsors of our Instagram live series, Kenty Racing, Jamaica Race Drivers Club, Lubit Limited, WAP Performance, Squickly Wrecking and Haulage, Boosting, Horsepower in a Bottle, Kaizen Wrecking, Kaizen Car Rentals, Rocket Ship Courier Services, Zidage Performance, and Massive Auto Parts. Be sure to check out our sponsors on social media. Visit their pages, show them some love. All right. The King, we are back. All right. So if just in case you're joining the live, right? We're talking to Mr. Dalton, Mr. Jeffrey Williams, right? Formerly the Llama boss, right? And boy, I think this picture just ready to go viral still, But you know what is surprising though, Dalton? That you never carry over that name to now, Oh, you would have managed
it did.
Eh?
Yeah, man. After I buy the Lancer, Virgo named the Lancer the Llama son. Yes, it did. The name changed when
it never stick though. Obviously,
no, me change the name fast. The name changes when me say, all right, anybody want race, I am sure they have to pass the gatekeeper. So I change my name to the gatekeeper.
Gatekeeper.
Quickly. Quickly.
Hey, you're genius. You're genius,
Yeah, I'm change the name quickly to the gatekeeper and ease them off back with the Llama.
Yeah, man. Let them go away with them Llama son.
I tell you.
But I really have to just say big up on your progression, big up on your journey. I remember when you started. I don't remember Vernon Field to be honest, but I remember Jamwest. You'd be at some of the King of Shores meet, and then later down, of course, drag rivals, which I think your most successful era would be over the past 2 years, you'd say.
Yeah, man. Things transformed for me in the past 2 years to a different levels. When me get more serious with the car, I thought more research, ask more questions, and I get more information, and I try my little stunts them, and then me start to make a result after a while.
All right, let us move forward a little from the RVR and talk about the evolution, right? Your Evo 3. How did you acquire that car though? Like, a friend had it. What was the process? It dropped in your hand.
All right. No, it is. That's why I refuse to sell that car. I even burn the title and the papers up for that car because that car definitely chose me. Yeah, man, that car chose me, man. That car chose me. All right. While me have the RVR, we always hang out a flanker when we have any spare time or stress to go by the garage and we'll talk and laugh. There are small stretch by the garage where I just boost the car on that stretch park and talk and laugh. I was by the garage on Sunday and I saw this little car just came up on the side, coming down from flanker, and I said, "Wow, kid, baby about this man." Because he has those gold rims that he just looks so small. And God said, and genuine GSR that, I say, that's a God. Yeah, nice car, man. But the car have an issue with the pressure plate. They broke one of the fins. So it restrict the clutch at times. So the guy leave it to God to some work on it. But unfortunately, God was a bit busy at that moment. They never got to touch that car. And the following Sunday, I went back up there again. I said, God, so when I buy that car, you have a Lancer drive and mostly have one and dog have one. Why about the man? I say, yo, what do you mean? And you tell me, I say, hey, how much you want for it? I say, man, say, we take 300,000 for the car. I said, right, kid. You know, so I can buy it? And I say, hey, give me the man number. Give me the unit number. And the youth same time and the youth say, yeah, man, I said this with you, and I'm saying, hey. I say, yo, I discovered the man saying, nah, take off a penny. At the moment, to be honest with God, I have like $270,000. Maybe I save to purchase the next car to drive, to spend more time with the RVR. They tell them straight and say, yo, you're 30 still, but you can hold the papers if you want and give me some time and pay there or something. Then say, all right, forward. Go check him. We go down at Mad Dog Yard, coming up, me no like flank now from day one. So I trust him to go down at Mad Dog Yard and me and him and Mad Dog with the transaction.
Link up
I go back over and I turn to God and I say, yo, buy the car, go to see your line. So yeah, man, papers and I buy the car from the man. The car the following day and I go down the road with the car, even though it have a little restriction with the pin that broke. And the car have a full limited, back and front, full limited. That was the RS settings on that car. So I launched the car and it was amazing, like rapid. So go to the car wash, clean it up, come up on an AC. But remember to never RVR part. You just ignore it. Drive up the airport at the night, leave the RVR garage. Drive up the airport at the night. Man be seat and excited, clean and nice and very. That car was great to my bike. Drive before about a week, Vernon Field race it was coming up. Yo, I want to take out a little 18 months then I got and put in the engine. In the RVR, in this, I have a full ever. The guy said, I want to that man. Take. Bam. Bring the RVR home, park the Evo right beside it, take out the engine, swap them fast, throw back in. Even and start. God come out there and God fire it up and it's alright. Rig it up, be a rig up. When I say rig up, I mean rig up. Be a rig up, you see intercooler lean to one side, one big up pipe lean to one side. But I don't care, that's just Dalton.
You just wanted to make it to the meet.
Not even make it to the meet, I don't care about nobody. I just drive my car. Even I'm asking something, I just look for them and just laugh and gone here, that's something there.
Okay.
Right, never get to reach me because I use the same pressure plate back out of the whole gearbox back in this gearbox where I see a clutch. So when I speak about me having the same issue, so I never get to God to race me, but after I find out the problem, the engine, car, nice, AC, driven every day and nice. So I start say, yo, I change the computer to, put in the Everyday computer which got marked to a very good job by flashing that ECU and give us a tuning with our launch control and play with the boost a little bit. Just pass it to enjoy ourselves. Not a very good job. Trust me, big up yourself, God. Go through and go for as I say, you don't remember the car, but trust me, if Virgo can find the video, you will remember that car. Because when I go up on the line with the car they are smoke like crazy. Still I run, I'm in a business in a body.
Well, so you remember who had the race? You remember who had the race?
It was a Honda. I don't remember the Honda, but it was a Honda me line up with. Me beat a white
S13.
Nissan. Yes, before. I beat that white Nissan before, and then I went to the other way.
Because Mike, in the comment, I said, him beat you, no? So how that race they go now?
No, man. No. Mike. No, Mike. Remember, Mike. Remember, Mike. Yeah, the way I listen you say, you well, one book me back again, but me gone to a different level now. It was a Honda that beat me.
Hold on there. I come like say true, Mikey didn't know, say, you go say, you beat him. Him jumping at the comments quick, and I say,
I can bet you now. But, yeah, the drama. Virgo, find the video, Virgo. That was an intro. You play regular. Find the video, Virgo. And play the video. You see who I tell that. Maybe most of the video. I bet most of the video right now. Yeah, man, I beat him, man. Beat him, clear beat too. When the tour will launch, I be miss second speed. My car always have a booming issue. If you watch all the my car always a boom. Always have a booming issue.
All right, so you know, we're gonna need. I see the fans in the comments saying to prove it, you know. So we're gonna need the video evidence, and we're gonna post it to see.
Mostly, our Virgo no we're gonna run a video show. What is your then run a video show? I don't remember.
All right. Clearly. Send across the video when you murder S13, Mike.
Yeah, man, easy beat, man. That was an easy beat for me. That wasn't hard.
So. Maybe that is why you don't have that much hate for Nissan, you know. Trey did beat the Nissan early.
No, not really, you know. To be honest with God, remember the Nissan has 4-wheel drive setup. See more, we see with the Evo with the Nissan setup and it come back, everything was a match up to me. So, 4-wheel drive is the way to go. 2-wheel drive you have to buy slicks. All type of crap to get it the way you want. For the 4-wheel drive you just want to get the motor right and the drive line right and it's done.
Okay. So the Honda, you don't remember which Honda did beat you?
No, I don't remember. I swear to God, I don't remember what.
Because honestly, would I love if you remember who you just give him a call out to settle that, you know.
Well, every Honda me beat me just remember that one that they beat me, so let me call different.
Every Honda where you beat, you say, I feel that one.
Once is if you realize that you beat a Honda, you can know a jam with. But just come out and laugh. Just laugh and walk out. That me I say, yeah, string one more on the line.
All right, question. Which class were you running at the time when with that race with the Honda?
13.
13. I wonder who that. I would have really want to know who that. Really would have want.
I bet somebody soon play that video there. Somebody play it too.
Hold on there. What color Honda? Make us see if we can help you find out.
What color? Don't remember. Straight to God, I don't remember.
All right, no pressure. That video they soon surface though. Somebody must have that video there. Somebody must have that video there.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man. So we need to see. But moving forward, right? Can we soon talk about this rivalry between you and the Hondas, you know? But before we reach there, so just give us a little rundown on your current machine.
Well, the car is basically same, you know. I won't say much about my car right now. But it's basically maybe a few changes because at the last jam may have a discussion. I'm explaining to you the weak spot that I have, and I work on them now. The only weak spot I have now, I can talk to the world here, is that we need a manual transmission, which is a dog box, because the car basically every time I run now, it can break the box. And if the engine catch to a level, we need the transmission to match the engine. But we are mostly do a little work the other day on the gearbox. And I drove it the other day and it was alright. I launch it like I normally launch hard. But in the process now, I try to get myself a proper gearbox. And if I get that, I can tell Jamaica and the world, say, trouble dead. Yeah, man, serious trouble. Because I can play with the engine when I want. Play with the engine now. Because the gearbox weakness, I can't play with the engine when I want to.
Oh, so the transmission is a weak link right now.
As it is now. The motor, Perfect. Perfect.
Question. Well, as I mentioned, motor, right? The last interview we did, right? I know you were telling us a little bit of the specs, and I don't know, you're still running the Sparta rods and the Wisinko pistons.
I little changes. Not running anymore on the more porter. A little different. But well, nothing to hide. Aluminum rods on the motor, no, nothing to hide.
Oh, okay.
I'm sure the turbo can be a turbo now. Nothing to hide. That's right. Aluminum. Nothing to hide.
Okay. I see the one Robert in the comments.
That's the reason why when you got what's that? What's that?
The one Robert. Yo, I'm sorry. The one Robert asked if Alaska box.
No, Robert. No, Robert.
All right, Robert. Yo, you know, easy, man. On here, you are calling me old fridge. On here. Remember, say you have that title, you know. Remember that, you know. Well, anyway, so you said the motor is pretty much solid.
Yeah, man, because if you realize when me and Gaunt Max run the race, you know, that car, the gearbox broke center bit in that race. From the burnout, I realized something wrong with the car, I break up. We never know, but when me know so well the motor good. The motor is nowhere near danger zone. So I run the car. I mean, I expect it to blow up. Kind of nowhere near danger zone. Right, so that's why
none of that.
When I run the race now, I'm gonna come back up, return to Andy and say, yo, you know, say the diff broke, you know, and something else is wrong with the car, but I don't know what it is. The coolant temp sensor did I give a little issue. So when if it shift, it make the car slightly break up. So while me I go to check, if I realize the car, but me now back out of the car because I'm determined to say, yo, I make the fans them say, yo, even though my car have an issue, I still run my car, I'm not stopping.
Yeah, man. And if person wondering about that race, I believe it's on our YouTube channel. So you can check it out. You know, when that's the run with the young guard, right?
Yeah. But if my car never had the issue, I would have broke out anyhow. If you realize I burn out the car, I never burn it till known time during the course of the day.
Yeah.
I'm trying to myself, I ain't give a crap about the trophy no more. I just want to drop 110-2 or 110-3 and smoke and laugh at a guy. That was the plan. Yeah, that was the plan. Because be honest to God, you hear me tell us, when a man run 10-7 or 10-6,
I hear that time. Yeah. Me already said that already.
You have to run 10-1, 10-2, 10-3 to be a man. Otherwise, leave 10 seconds alone, brother. Like, brag when you run a 10 seconds, you run a 10 seconds, brother. You try to run 10.
Well,
because if it's full.
Yeah. Yeah. Do you have plans though of going to nines?
Definitely.
Okay.
Definitely.
But that's how
we can't back Kenty. If I go nines, I want meet Kenty.
Oh. So you want to brush off a Kenty before him even go down in a eights. That's how I say.
I go brush him.
Yeah? Lord have mercy.
I would even laugh on me talk. I'm serious. I go brush him.
Kenty, boy, you know, look good enough, cause as I say that, I have to say big up Bossy D, you know, to them Earth Strong. So you don't know Bossy D, yeah, we owe you around, you know. Yeah, man. So you don't know when the church out back are racing. So just go and bless up yourself, Bossy D. And I see it. All right. I see Kenty just coming at the comments like him a beg. You know, I don't know. I beg it out, Kenty.
Kenty not big man. Definitely not big man. He not big man. Kenty, no. Me tell Kenty in person if he really speak the truth. I jam it already. Kenty, I want to run your car. And there are a certain amount of cars when the interest is involved in it. If I not beat them car, then I don't feel like me race.
All right.
And after me, we did the Honda PA.
Tell us some of those cars. I know you beat one of them already.
No, but in change, Valentine have a 10-second Honda. When he will bring out to beat me.
What?
Lizard is involved. Yeah, man. Lizard is involved.
No, hold on, Elika. Kedron, tell him a $1,000 race when we forward. I want him to on here, man. You're not ready for on here yet.
1,000 US?
Yeah.
3,000 US.
Blow.
1,000
no, man, this I get serious now, man. What you say?
Let's see 3,000. Let's see 3,000 US. 3,000 US is around now about $500,000. Yeah. What 3,000 US? Can I win fame? I can make up my one to get the 10,000 US to go buy the gearbox.
No, stop. Yo, Dalton.
Yes,
you know,
sir.
yo. No, man, hold on a little. Make a pause a little. You know, so I have to rate Dalton. Because
if you don't have big dreams in life, you can't get big dreams in life. You have to have big dreams and you get it afterwards. You can't get up and if you have it before and you get it afterwards. You have big dreams, yeah.
All right. On your speak now or forever hold your peace. The man said $3,000 USD. All right. Moving on. Now there was a little thing between you and one Mr. Andrew Hudson, aka Killy. And I tell you something.
You know what happened.
Hey, the fans them
what happened.
Hold on, bro. The fans them would have killed you. My inbox would have burned up. The amount of people that message me and I say, yo, you race run? I'm win. Ray. Hey.
Listen, see that day, to be honest to God, all of who go with me, included me, from me left out, me walk with the money, I ask them, have the money all day down there. Until when the light have an issue, and the race, the car left home because the light change. I'm tell you how you go to. And me still run down the car, and I come around and I say, Andrew, yo, you know, so what, man, Andrew, I say, I'm going to check upstairs, and then go upstairs, and then say, the race will run over, and I see what happened. Surprisingly, I'm going back to my car, and I come back around, then I go here say, nothing happened. So I'm like, Andrew, really? Come on, Andrew, man. You know, me this man, I'm about nothing, and if you hear me, I did it, but something is wrong. All right, after the incident one, they recalibrate the light. Let me just find my brother and say, yo, guess what? Forget it. Let's come, load up. I'm going to start load my car up on the trolley. And then drive up there and say, you're in there. I say, nope. Don't work in assurance. Because guess what? Men are some of them core and some of them force. And if you hear me say, I'm done, brother. Because that's simply, just went back the race simply. Because I tell you something went wrong. Not with my car, with the lights. So that's why we don't get to beat him.
Oh, so him the panelist though. Him not safe. Andrew not safe.
If he end up, be honest to God, if Andrew Hudson, my friend Killy, if he end up in the grid, I will race him. But me literally have no more feeling him to race him. No, me put him get him chance and blow it.
Okay.
I move to other vehicle right now.
Okay.
I never feel on low class environment for me league now.
But hold on, but remember no, Dalton, remember say Andrew's best time is 10-7, you know, and your best time at 10-7.
Hold on, you realize what me say about them time there?
That's a joke time, man.
Foolishness, waste of time. If you have 6 cars and me at 10-7, I at 10-3, 10-4, 10-2, 10-1, where do I stand?
But remember, remember, at the end of the day, you know, reaction time is a big part of it, you know. So you could have around 10-7 beat a car where around 10-0.
Oh, man. Yeah, hey, I can't tell you this. Father got to be living in your car for that. You know, take that tablet there. And you call that food shape and table go eat.
All right. So let us clear this up. Make clear it up then. right? So you and Andrew, that race is if you now go out of your way anymore, that's what you're saying.
No. If me end up like if me dead and I qualifying, and me see my hustle around, me definitely go racing. But me not literally call him out anymore.
All right. You mentioned. All right. You mentioned earlier that there are some Hondas that are on your list, right? Make we talk about some of them Hondas there right now.
Well, some will know. I don't really want to call any name, but there are a few where I really want involved in, and them are going to know where my car stand, like Kenty, definitely. Friend, Llama. Bujo. Me have big dreams. Big dreams. And trust me, man, do it at Jamaica already, you know. With Evo.
Yeah.
And me do it again, you know. I don't talk much about it, but I say, man, do it at Jamaica here and do it one time, and I don't believe then do it again, but I do it a shot too. Yeah, big dreams. Van, yeah man, me and Van still very run. Delano the boss with the 4-wheel drive. Look out, I'm a friend that. But look out, me still want to take off 2-wheel off of the 4 left 2 panic. Seriously. You understand me? But there are a few more Hondas around town. I run a red one, one stock guy drive it. That car, that car remind me of my
Grizzly.
Car. Yeah man, that car there. Yeah man, it just come out, but me I tell you, I do well. Every time he come and race me, I watch it. It's a chance farm. Look at him same time like I want place, you know. But you tell him what the end, I say, what if my car never had issues little? I'm tell him in person, because when it happen, when my car broke and I see little laugh, I say, yes! I knew I said there's no competition for the day. If my car never broke in the day, I swear maybe I went in car lock 11 would have beat Lickers. You know why would have beat Lickers? Because either I would have red light or I would have beat Lickers. Me don't plan it out already. Lickers car have a very, very quick low to mid. But the top part is dead like a van car. Same thing like a van car. Because of how they dial the car, the car there for one reason. So all you need to do is just relax yourself and just pick him on the line. Once you pick him on the line, give him a 1 or a 2 and a 3 if you hold on pan. By him car will breathe out, clear. So he don't panic or someone else and draw him. So.
But what time you can remember say, you know. Remember say Lickles dialing from the 11s, you know, man. Yes, so if you beat Lickles, you know, I tell you that, you know. Remember say level 1. Eh?
So what about the level 001? Impossible, right?
No.
Okay, then why I said me beat Lickles on a 10? So why I said me beat Lickles on a 10?
Alright, well, alright.
You have to confident yourself. Remember this, Lickles no car there, you know.
Yeah.
Me know my car is a 10-second car, though. Me I go move with Lickles, you know.
Oh.
And make sure that I stretch for Lickles, you know. Either a neck a bumper, because I have the brain baker, so I have everything matched up. So either a neck or a finger I maintain it. Either. And as I say, racing and not just so. When you do something, you have to still do the match. Just like I'm do the match today until I have issue with my car. I'm telling you, my car never have issue with it. I tell you, trouble you have today. Trouble.
So, all right. Let us, before we allow persons to get on and ask you some questions, right? Just my observation. I realize that whenever it gets down to eliminations, tell us, is it nerves or something? I realize some of the times you would probably red light.
All right, that's easy. All right.
Yeah.
Remember, you know, me not start race car 5 years. Some man a race car and what it is for them. Just start race car. A man a teacher for race car. A phone me use on YouTube for race car. Yeah. After a few red lights, understand now what it's all about. For red light. You start practice, even the stoplight them pan government main road. Them. Watch the yellow one, I know say alright, is a 2-second switch round. And then now I go race. After me normally come from Saturday is a reason I try to break myself in.
Yeah.
Normally my issue of if me sitting in the sun too long, it make me get a bit nerve wracking. So I realize if you realize you pass your race, after I finish race, I sit down, I don't come out, I just sit down one place and look.
Mm-hmm.
But once I have that control, and you see me I carry me a laugh.
Yeah.
Trust me. No mistake I did it. If you see me in a car, like if a car get issue, you see me upset in a car, 50-50. But if you see me in a car, I smile.
Mm-hmm.
You get a good drive out of me. Very good drive out of me.
Okay. Interesting. You know, because, of course, I would definitely want to see you, Dalton, coming back with some serious competition. I believe it is safe to say that you are probably one of the few evolutions currently racing under 11s. All right.
Yeah, man, definitely.
I believe you are. I mean, Mad Dog. You know, by the way, Mad Dog, Mad Dog, him good?
Yeah, man, him good. Him a drive up on a break him back the engine now.
Oh, so Mad Dog ready again?
Most likely. That's how we plan to go down now.
Nice.
Get the car right.
Nice. Now, I remember Mad Dog ran 10s as well. And maybe there are a few others that ran 10s since the whole start of drag rivals, I would say.
Since listen to one you're killing it.
Tell me.
Since the 10 seconds for a close line.
Eh?
So I'm pave the way for Mad Dog. God first, then me second. I do something nobody never do in the world.
Yeah.
All of the time, we pin them on the close line and take the track and say, no, see, they're going 10s now.
So the talk come from now where you say, if you think 10s end on line.
Yes, sir. Definitely, sir.
Okay. So you say God ran 10s first.
Yes. They come around in the 2-time jammers, yes.
No, man, I'm talking since 2018, you know, since drag rivals start.
No.
What? You are the first ever to run a 10 since. Wow.
Yes, sir.
That is serious.
Yes, sir.
I remember a couple years ago, evolutions were the car to beat, like, you know, every single meet, you know, from 12s, 13s, go down, you'd have an evolution. But we know it goes some of the time, persons take a little break and come back into the whole thing, you know. But congratulations on that, Dalton, you know, being one of the few evolutions to run 10s since the start of the whole Kenty Racing drag rivals. And I know you'll go faster because since recently, you know, I guess you start to get a little bit more serious now about what you're doing. So as the times keep shaving off, you keep getting faster, which means that you're on the right track. You know what I mean? I wouldn't doubt you, know. You know, I wouldn't doubt you, Dalton, a second, because, you know, I believe that anything a man say I go work towards, if he's serious, he will achieve it. You understand? If he's serious, he will achieve it. So I'm not putting anything past you, Dalton.
It's not only serious, you know. Trust me, it's not only serious. Because sometimes a man is serious and I walk out the road, but he just not have the vibes. You know, but I'm serious about it that much that I sleep and gym on it. Every time I go to my office and I see my car, show me serious. My car is by my office now. Right? And I'm driving in my office yard, and I drive and park, but I say nothing put on nowhere near my car and my shed. I ask who put it there, moving now. No, nothing on my car. So you just sit down there by yourself every night after some time you get up and go just lean up on it and say, hey, a soon time man, just stay calm. We're going to run the 9s And if I run the 9 to keep a press conference, a man to go be as the first man a man to go be for 9 seconds, and then we decide my mind if me I go further on with it. So it's me I go do it. Me I go do it.
So you say, wait, a press conference is going to come after that 9-second pass.
Then if me be the first in St. James to run 9 seconds, wouldn't you keep a press conference?
You mean first 9 since, I mean, that would be history.
I mean, I see nobody run it. Well, me can't tell a lie. But the green crocodile is some chiller on it. So, who else?
Well, you're talking 9s in general or evolution to run 9s?
Well, 9 in general, I can't run it, but 9 in general, I don't know who am I to be run 9 in general already.
Oh, I don't know. See what I mean.
Could be. I mean, I lie, but if me end up to be the first man that St. James man to go be to run a 9 second, it's all deserve a press conference.
Boy, I mean, I'm not sure if I'm worthy enough to be invited to that press conference, but I'd love to be there to participate.
Definitely. And
Yo,
I've been saying this for the past 2 weeks. I've been saying this for the past 2 weeks.
Yeah.
And some people laugh at them and say, listen, I am going to run 9s, you know. And I'm going to, whenever time I run it, I'm going to keep a press conference. And say that, listen, if somebody wants to see me run 9 man to go be, they have to go and run it too. But I'm going to put my car for a jack stand. If the fans want the car for run, all them have to do is start and say, yo, tell the king say your car to come back and run. And then we come back and run. It's all deserving. You know? And then after me decide my mind, if we can go further, if we want to go further, don't arm just enjoy myself here it is.
So, all right. Let me ask you this, though. Mr. Bally, right? Is Mr. Bally on your list? Because Bally a Honda too now, but me never hear you say Bally earlier. So
Mostly can say that video the Bally throat cut already.
Hold on, you beat Bally already?
Bally throat cut already.
Hold on, man. Hold on now. Is there video evidence for this? Is there video evidence?
Since we must play the video. Mostly play the video. Since we play the video, mostly play the video. Since we mostly play the video. Turbo always back with the video. But trust me, Bally throat cut already.
So Bally, you're done with Bally, or you're going to give him another run?
But you come back to what I'm saying, if you end up in the grid again, once a Honda, I swear to God, I'm willing to run a Honda. Oh, that's what makes me stronger.
Okay. I never know you beat Bally already still.
Yeah, man, it is just like playing that game, the Mario, you know. The more Mario game points are stronger and get, you know. So every Honda we get more powerful.
All right. I see. Well, big up Bally. By the way, I see Bally in the comments. Bally was saying, Bally saying that the car did have some problem. You understand, right? But all right. But I mean, if two car line up at a drag track on the track, you know, in all fairness, I don't know, unless one decides to test or not go test, but if the two owner, the light go green and the two owner decide on side, you know, I guess it counts as a one-up.
Yeah, just like with me and Monty, it counts. Yeah, it counts. Yeah.
So, you beat Monty too?
No. That you remember the last Jag rival? When he explained to you that the car need to go a little bit more on the launch based on it right. The bag. I ran him like about 10 minutes before you come to me. And it happened. And I said, thumbs up. Even though my car has issues, thumbs up. And right after when the tuner came down and touched the car just hit the 10s instant. By 2 pound boost, hit the 10s instant.
Oh, so Monty did kind of get a lucky one then?
No, I wouldn't say lucky one. I just team time.
In deserve that one then?
Yeah. Over the years, I was a trouble, man. In just see there's something wrong and just take the opportunity.
Well, you know, them have a sense of cockroach no business in a foul fight. So I guess man no business in a you and the underwar were going right there. So
no,
yeah,
no, man.
Yeah, man. I see Bali saying I see Bali saying a win is a win. So I guess Bali giving you that one up.
Definitely.
You understand? But you know, we saw Bali recently doing a personal best of 10-6, I believe.
Yes.
Right? Now, aren't you a little bit concerned about that, Dalton?
All right. Listen this.
Mm-hmm.
Very good time that the Bali going down to a non-turbocharged car. But if my car, I'm telling my car never break the center diff.
Yeah.
I would run a low tens. Even though the car have the brake up issue, it would go down there because the car, you know my car, this is my car, every run my car run. If Kenty comment now and tell the truth, Kenty come on my car glass. And Kenty said Jeffrey, you'll collect trophy today. Don't break out. And the boy and the helmet and said, me nah break out. And he walk up and no comment and tell the truth. Because Kenty know my car, this is my car start, cut timing, cut. In stop till he go down to a lower time. I say car stay. So if I run that race, I tell you someone plan to break out, and I plan to break out the day. So with me and God, Mark, I would break out.
Let me ask you this though, right? The fastest, or one of the fastest ever right now in Jamaica, Mr. Oil, aka Bad Oil from
Bad man.
Right?
Yeah.
Big up Bad Oil. Bad Oil is running a automatic. What do you call it now? Automatic transmission. Right?
Yeah.
Any plans of probably using that to carry down into the 8s?
I think about it, share the views with a few of my friends here and abroad, and they're saying to me that it can, but they said me get the right dog gears them, because what happened is that they said it me shift perfect. We just need the gears them to match me. So me get the right gears them right now. I do not need that automatic transmission. I definitely don't.
Okay.
Me can run 8 because remember I say banks run low nines with the start box when just bring up something at the box. So if me get the proper gears them to can shift.
Well,
yeah man, banks run nines man. Yeah man, low nines.
Low nines banks run?
Yeah man, I believe at 9, 4, 9, 3. Somebody can back me up with it, but you run low nines, yeah. I'm not sure. Somebody know more than me.
Okay, because I think I can remember maybe like a 9-8 or a 9-7, but I could be wrong. You know, I could be wrong. Eh?
I think somebody, but I think it's a low 9. So last time in 2 my car, they tell me the truth with the whole car setup. When they're rolling 9. Yeah, you can be wrong. Yeah.
Okay. Well, okay. I see S13 Mike say 9-8. Yeah, that is.
Oh, 9-8,
I think it was somewhere there. Yeah, I think it was somewhere there. You know, but
you're not gonna automatic running. You're not gonna automatic straight dog me is running manual. That man can get the phone of the car and me a shit.
Boy, trust me. All right, let me ask you this before I give your fans a chance to ask you some questions, right? What are you looking for when you return to the next meet?
As I said, I really want the digit. Single digit. You understand me? So once we get the opportunity to drive that car there, trust me, the king will take it as fun and drive that car there, because I'm going to die shortly. Now and tell nobody when.
Okay.
I'm going to die shortly, shut the car down, we want a lot. The gearbox go down. Just have to just close my eye and just find my gearbox off my own. Buy a dog, gears them off the phone and just go back a dino again and still go hunt to the figure when me and the tuner say we want. And then
the money where you go win, the money where you go win from Onier, you could have probably used that to buy a box.
Definitely, but if when we put the car up on the dyno, and when we say we want, we not get that. I won't wait. I won't wait. I will just definitely Yeah, I would just definitely call my friend and tell him, so listen, this is it. The start box determined. Don't want to go where I want it to. So just have to just go for the guys.
The King. I know that title. I guess that's a recent title. But
yeah.
how did that come about?
Oh, King Assurance. That's when the car really started to prove to me that it is very fast. I beat a few cars, not 100. I don't remember I beat 100 that day, but I beat a few cars and I get the 4-wheel drive trophy plus the 12-second trophy. So I end up getting 2 trophies the same day. So from there, they started to call me King. Sure. It just continued to follow me from there.
Okay. Because I hear someone, I talk about Raging King and Burger King and I don't know what kind of king. So I'm glad you get a chance to meet the people them know who is the king.
One
you know
king.
What I mean? The one king.
One king, yeah.
But hold on. But we can't say a one king technically still, Dalton. Remember, he's a 9-second king, Oh, we're going to do the maths there.
Yeah, tell us, I'm not far away.
All right, so hold on. Question. When you start running 9s, you're going to change from the king to 9-second king? Are we looking at
just remain
9-second king?
No, man, it will remain same as the king. Because I really like any name, so it will remain as the king. But we also add on by the killer king.
So you say, addition I go on the title. Killer King.
Yeah, you start getting more stripe, a higher rank in Air Force, Killer King.
Next string. I never know this. So what is after Killer King? What is the next rank?
Maybe here soon, man. Very soon.
Right, nobody wants that. Yeah. Hey, you have to go copyright some of them things, bro. Because we don't want nobody go running panel the Killer King title before you, Yeah, you understand? All right. So all right. So the king is saying that as he progresses, to get faster, going up the ranks, we will see changes, just like how a man leave from constable to till him reach commissioner.
Yeah.
All right. Not say a word. All right, peeps. Let us take some questions from the comments. I saw a lot of questions earlier, but I decided to wait until this segment, so that we can have it flowing. We don't want to have all those questions in between. But while the questions are coming in, I have to say big up, Jeffrey. Always bringing the vibe, always full of confidence that I want him, I can tell you. That alone, you're going to use and mash up enough people,
Yeah, man, you have to really confident in yourself. Whatever you want in life, some people can assist you with it, but if you want it, you have to just work for it.
Work for it.
And work for it, and I tell you, you will get it. If I'm one day out of the 7, it will come, so you get it. So that means I work for it. I work very hard for it.
All right. So, question. Robert is asking, what is the dress code for the press conference when you run the 9?
Like early on, as I said, Jeffrey is a very simple person. Me just regular marine. I don't care nobody worry. Me just a simple person. Very simple person.
Oh,
even
so
me
I'm gonna have to go time.
How do I look to you? Very simple. Yeah, it doesn't matter. That's simple.
I'm gonna have to go time we have to go buy a jacket suit and them something.
No, you ever see me? No, I'm look fussy to you. Be honest to God, me general. You ever see me? Everywhere see me always look simple.
Okay. All right. So simple dress code. The thing there.
Yeah, man. Simple dress code. It's real what you want for me to explain to someone. Say, guess what? Me first when I send James man to be blah 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 blah. I'm gonna talk to you like blah 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 blah.
Straight.
And then now, if a man want me furlong, a man will say, yeah man, XYZ king man, me need a furlong. I want to see one more the king after half. And then me just say, okay, fine. We'll move forward with whatever me have to do. But that carry their potential, my brother. That carry their potential, my brother. Because
one thing I want to say, you know, maybe Kenty can line up a sponsorship from Wisinko. Since as you endorse them things so with the Wisinko.
Oh my God.
Maybe Kenty can organize a sponsorship from Wisinko. Zin for the press conference.
That would be good. That would be good.
All right. Well, you know, back to some serious things now, though. Nitros. Steve was asking earlier if you have any plans of running Nitros.
This is a big question, very big one. I think about it a few times. I have a friend in Florida. He always tell me no. But I still think about it, but he must say, yo, ring the turbo them to the neck first. Mm-hmm. My car, the build for that, no, be honest with God. I built it for NAS now. And then the tune of the part the other day, I say, yo, yes, what? 75. And I say, yeah, man, you can bust it for them. And the car back my bridge in Florida, I say, yo, send the kid come, man, I say, me now, I say, no kid come. Turn up boost for the car. Why not boost for the car? If
boost alone can do it.
I've never driven a nitro car in my life. Never in my life. I always want to know what a nitro car is all about. I've never driven in my life. But you said to me that based on the setup I have now, wind the boost up on the car and just drive the car. So the car will be more consistent, race by race by race by race.
Okay.
In the future, definitely, yeah. In order to cross that bridge, you have to go there.
All right, cool. Someone is asking which ECU you're running.
Bad boy ECU. Platinum 1000 Sport. Bad boy ECU. Altec and Altec only.
All right. Somebody's asking how much power the car makes.
All right. The last time when that car on the 10.7, the iron shoe was stretched, it tuned pan. Me don't know how much power they pan.
Oh, it was just a road tune.
Yes. I think I only been to dyno twice with that car in the whole lifetime of that car.
How much power is the motor capable of? How that sounds though?
Ah boy, trust me. Record in Jamaica. Based on when we are by and who we are talking. When I store where Chuku shop, I went there in Florida and the gentleman called in Jamaica. That's where this hat came from. And he said to me, I have a guy here from Jamaica and I'm talking with you. I made him laugh.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, man.
So you go foreign. You go foreign. I got you.
The motor there, to be honest with that. Yeah. If the tuner which in case in very good can just to have perfect wire loom for that motor. You remove everything out of that and just put where you want to use in that. So if we go down and I look over and say I want to squeeze you good there, I want to go there and a crowd did there. And all went well, the car they got there over one figure with not much. Car there you have the figure, but just a little bit of car missing with the figure. And the car that will have the figure is only JG miss with them. We don't see no more that car with them. That's the power there, when we want to go.
All right, so without telling us too much, you're telling us that the car is...
Big up yourself, Monty, me I see you, man. Yeah, man. Oh, God, man, I tell you. I tell you, come back to the motor.
Yeah.
By God marks. Well built. Right? So you just need the manual transmission to back the motor now and it's done.
Alright. Cool. Let's take some more questions. Let's take about 3 more questions from the comments before we wrap up. Yeah, we're waiting on some more questions to come in. Right. Persons, if you asked a question earlier and we missed it, you can just ask again. All right. Somebody's asking, what you have against Honda? Dalton.
Yeah, but I can't hardly hear. I don't know why.
Oh, man, so somebody's asking what you have against Hondas.
What have on there?
Hondas.
Hold on. Somebody's messing around this car. Let me get my headset. Hold on a second.
All right, no problem. So in the meantime, Jeffrey's starting out his headset. I just want to say a big shout out to the sponsors of our Instagram live series, Kenty Racing, Jamaica Race Drivers Club, Lube It Limited, WAP Performance, Quickly Wrecking and Haulage, Boostain, Horsepower in a Bottle, Kaizen Wrecking, Kaizen Car Rentals, Rocket Ship Courier Services, Zidot Performance, and Massive Auto Parts. Okay. Dalton, you ready for you again?
Yeah.
All right. So question, let me see now. Bam. Okay. Steve is asking why you not give Mosi the 11-second specs.
God Almighty. All right, most of my virgin for life. Most of our race car for me, I got basic course. I know it's possible, but it's possible. So most just need to take some time out, relax a little bit, don't rush, and get it right. Cause you can get it right. Cause car has potential, but just that you know like wait.
Okay.
But you have the specs. Be honest to God, you have the specs. But you just need to just relax a little bit.
All right, cool. Squad is asking name and size of your piston.
Squad is asking what?
The name and size of the piston you're running.
No, me not disclose that to nobody. No, tell nobody again.
It's not like some custom things.
No, it's not really custom. It's close, but I don't really. But me just don't want to tell nobody the proper specs. Me name a serious part of aluminum rods on the black now. So if you know about an engine, think about why use it aluminum rods. But me not tell nobody my specs. Never. Because I know what a man, when he run the time, man say, yeah, man, me expect you run the time, man. Can you have that and that in the engine?
True. And then if you don't run it because of somebody.
You laugh at it, it's fun.
Yeah. Man, I go say, watch him have Lord Jesus in the engine.
No,
and I just piece of 11s alone in
nobody. I just explained a while ago, the motor fully built.
Okay.
Fully built.
But Dalton, man, when you come out and run piece of 9s, them out, you say, you should have do 7s, you know. But anyway, we're not going to get into that right now.
7s can run at Jamaica, we get good check.
All right. Somebody's asking, though, what size turbo? If you wish to disclose.
No, man. Everybody know me turbo. Well, the turbo is a Honda turbo. Most Honda use a turbo. I don't know why it's a Bagwana, most Honda turbo. It's one of the new gen of Bagwana. The 69, the one with the billet back and front and the speed sensor.
Okay. Then, I mean, Dalton, I got trouble a little, you know. Oh, you hate Honda so much and I run a Honda turbo.
Then
but the Honda man, they love you. Eh?
No, man. You have to use fire burn fire.
Oh, so you just use for them thing to beat them.
That's why I go as far as I try to figure to get the closest ratio. That's why I and Van had a fight because my ratio is very close. The feeding ratio. But the change but the ratio after that, expected the car that go faster, but it did not.
Okay,
did not go faster.
Okay. All right. Bali is asking, who has the fastest time in St. James? I don't know if you know.
Fastest time at St. James. 10-second time. Who again? I don't remember who again. Yeah, me an interview, Sean. Me call about. I'm not sure I remember. I don't remember offhand right now in the 10-second class, but I think who again? I think it's gonna be Andrew. Andrew? No man. Other body, what's no come St. James? Other body, what's no come St. James?
Okay. So it have to be somewhere between you and Andrew and maybe God and that circle.
I think Kings are on it too. I'm not sure. I think me as Kings are on 10s already.
Alright, well we don't have the facts now, so we don't want to speculate and get the wrong info, but somewhere there's up. Alright, cool. Fernando, Monty is asking, do you have plans to use bigger slicks?
Never. And a bigger 6 deep. Me go America go see it. And a bigger 6 deep, my boss. Me don't want to pop up nothing for me car. Never.
Okay. Alright. I guess the reason for that question maybe because, you know, with more surface, covering more surface, then, you know, you increase your traction, you know.
Alright.
You get better traction.
Trust me. Me see the ever them with the big slicks. Me see what happened to them.
Okay.
One run, and you see them pick up parts and should be a fire line.
Okay. So put a whole part strain on the drivetrain.
Yeah, me continue. Me then left me on the line there. But me pull third speed, there we go.
Okay. All right. Got you. I see persons in the comments saying, Bali is from St. James. I don't know that one.
No, sir.
Where it's Trelawny Bali come from?
Yes, sir.
All right. So if anything, Bali must be the fastest car at Trelawny, not St. James.
The crocodile.
Oh,
the crocodile.
Yes. Big up crocodile boss, you know, man. 9-second machine, you know.
Yes, sir. I just hands out to them, man. The man, they are PV, the man, they have big like a elephant. I mean, I don't drive it. I go left, right. Me not drive that.
All right. I think Andrew is asking, who is your mechanic presently?
All right. Presently, last time the car worked when it was Gaunt Marks. Otherwise, some Gaunt Marks, I am doing the rest of the work right now. Not on the motor, on the body of the car. If I have any more issue with the motor, me decide if I'm going to make Gaunt Marks again or I'm going to ship it off or whatever I'm going to do with it. I'm going to make somebody who is currently working with an electrician on the car now mess around it for me.
Okay. All right. Somebody's asking what type of engine?
Regular. 2 liter.
Okay. Alj Harris is asking who is your biggest driver? Eh?
I have to big up himself, Alj. At the moment, no, to be honest, so God. I just Honda, as in Honda. Andrew Hudson was the other day, but, you know, it never worked out. For which reason?
Yeah.
I just say it was a part of life. But at the moment, I still have this hot blood for Honda.
All right. I see Mosi is asking, you know, how much time, Mosi said to ask, how much time Mosi beat you. Mosi ever beat you?
Yeah, man, definitely. I am sure. I think 3 times, yeah. 3 times, yeah.
What I'm top of judgment, yeah, they don't have jammers.
Probably when I'm asleep.
Eh?
Probably when I'm asleep. No, when you're kind of driving here.
In our dreams?
Yeah, man, when I'm asleep, yeah.
Okay, I understand. All right, let us take 2 more questions before we wrap up. Two more questions before we wrap up. All right, Colin is asking, why do you feel like you can size up with Omar 9-second King?
Oh God, man!
Is it a size up thing?
No, man, a size up thing, man. No, my general. It's just definitely enjoyment and fun and war.
Aye.
Just like a Donald Trump kind of man that believe in a war. I believe in a war. From a war, just war.
Straight. Anything come, dead.
War. Then when you're a king rule in a boss man. So you have to make sure you rule till the time expire.
But remember, I know, Dalton, remember they said 2 king can rule in a same, how you go? Same,
that's
right?
That's why I get rid of one.
All right, Dalton. All right, say no more. Somebody's asking if the motor is stroke.
No, my general, what are you talking about? We're born stroke around here, man. A straight 2 liter, man. Definitely 2 liter, my general. You realize every reason that my body open to everybody.
All right.
All the chaka and patchy me open to everybody same way.
All right. Let's take one last question. Right? One last question. Ron B. Inc. is asking, is the king guaranteed to run 9th next drag rivals?
Definitely. Once all is well with the car, when we go to diner to tune the car and I don't have a broken box in case I try. Get back a basket, I don't know how far away Jags rival are, but definitely. And you know, anytime you hear a reason, whether in the fields or where we're a race, you always in the fulfill my speech to you. Definitely.
Sure. Well, you know, if I allow persons, I know the entire night will get questions, right? But my officer just big up everybody who tune in and you know, vibe with us, you know, make the live stream what it is. You know, we have to say big up. Dalton, before we go, we're gonna allow you to just do your shout out and your big up before we wrap up.
Yeah, man. But definitely, pick up all of the racers of my mobile. Man, the same way. Tone, Herby, Virgo, and all Dog, Combat Run, Indian, big up yourself. Cutter, same way. God Mark, same way. And all of the man who always a cheer for me. And I make me know, say, yo, you can do it. Now listen to them mocking them and mock you. That's consistent. Kenty, big up his speech, you're giving the day for the line. Let him say, don't broke out. But unfortunately, they can't have issues. So I couldn't get a broke out because I did go broke out.
Indeed. So although Kenty the panelist, you still give him a one big up.
Kenty, I'm a general, man. I respect the man for where the man take racing to, brother. The man take you out of the dark and carry into the light. I respect that, brother. Big up yourself again, Kenty. Mostly live. You see your man. Big up.
Yeah, man. But as I have to say big up, Dalton. Thanks for as Bali is saying, you know, make him know Bali is from Bobby, please. All right, sir. So the man Bali is claiming is Montego Bay citizenship, you know. Right? Bali is saying, listen, I am from Montego Bay.
If Bali fall and I'm a great disarray meet and you're proof saying I come from Montego Bay because you're busting face.
Hey, you know, a lot of persons wonder why is it that drag racers, you know, is like a different kind of vibe when it comes down to being competitive. You know, no man no put them out the ground and talk, right? Yeah, if a man have something to prove, yeah, improve it. You understand what I say? So, you see the next meet, whenever it is, why? It now go pretty at all.
It's a bit because everybody around us just explore themselves. Me have a aim and me go down there for the aim.
I see somebody just squeeze in one last question in Dalton. So me could just deal with it before we wrap up. Somebody is asking, who is a tuner?
All right. Me I come from far with tuner, right? Me do it fast. Like Gart marks first, then Banks take over, then Gart marks afterwards. Presently now,
it's Indian and Cutter who's in charge of that car presently right now. Big up on yourself.
Same. All right. On that note, I just want to say big up everybody. Thanks for tuning in to our Instagram live, Racers in Quarantine. Tonight is Mr. Jeffrey Williams, who is in the hot seat tonight. Jeffrey Williams, a.k.a. Dalton, a.k.a. the King.
The King, definitely. One King.
Tomorrow night will be Swiffy in the hot seat. So don't miss that, because Swiffy, I will tell you about, he might forgot tell you about what he have up his sleeve coming in. You understand? So don't miss that. Don't miss tomorrow night. On Thursday night will be Specs, right? Mr. Courtney Parish, big tuner, right? So don't miss that. On Friday night will be Andre Anderson, right? Very talented racer, circuit racer. And on Saturday night will be Mr. Andrew Palmer, aka Drone Performance, right? Yes. So don't miss it, right? Remember, next week will be our last week of this Racers in Quarantine Instagram Live. So I would encourage everybody to, not miss any more nights, because we're coming to a wrap, So of course we just want to say big up. Again, Dalton, much respect, bro. Thanks for making the time. I really hope for the best. I really hope that you achieve your goals, within a very short space of time, and just keep doing it.
It will.
One question before we go to one last question, Dalton. Yeah, you mind if I post the picture with the llama?
Well, that will motivate me for run nights. Because I remember when I come from, and I know where I want to go. So I have no problem with that. I swear to God.
So permission granted. Permission granted.